In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix missing folder in uTorrent. If you've ever seen a missing files or error message in uTorrent after moving, renaming, or reorganizing your downloads, this will get you back on track quickly. The issue usually happens when uTorrent can't find the folder it originally used. For example, if you move the files to another drive, changed the folder name, or unplugged an external disk. Start by opening uTorrent on your computer. Give it a moment to load your list of torrents. To make sure you're seeing everything in one place, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Torrents. This filters the view to show all active, completed, and errored items so you can quickly spot the ones that need attention. Find the torrent that shows missing files or an error status. You'll typically see a red icon or a clear message in the status column. Right? Click that torrent to open its context menu. From here, you're going to point uTorrent to the correct location of the files it can't find. In the menu, go to Advanced, then choose Set Download Location. This opens a file browser window. Your goal is to select the exact folder where the torrent's data currently lives. If you move the content to a new drive or a different directory, navigate there now. If the torrent has a top-level folder, select that folder itself. If it was a single file without a folder, select the folder that contains that file. The key is to match the structure and names uTorrent expects so it can recognize the data. Once you've highlighted the correct location, confirm by selecting the folder. uTorrent will update the save path and will typically begin verifying the files automatically. Let it complete this check. Depending on the size of the torrent and the speed of your drive, this may take a little time. When the verification finishes, the status should switch to seeding or finished if everything is present, or it will resume download to grab any missing pieces. If the error persists, double-check that you chose the precise folder that contains the files with the same names and structure. Make sure any external drive is connected and that the drive letter or mount point hasn't changed. Also confirm the files weren't deleted or placed inside an extra subfolder by accident. That's all you need to do. By pointing uTorrent to the correct download location, you resolve the missing folder error and pick up right where you left off.